Algebra is all about using letters to represent values that we don't know. Sometimes those letters can be found in equations, and we might be asked to rearrange the equation so that we can work out what number the letter represents. This video will introduce how to manipulate algebraic equations. Consider this equation. X plus 15 equals 2x plus 3. Now let's stop and think what that equal sign in the middle means. We could think of our equation as a balanced set of scales. In our case, we know that the scale is balanced if we have a box and 15 kilos of weights on one side, and 2 boxes and 3 kilos of weights on the other. We don't know what the boxes weigh, we've called it X here, but it could be anything we wanted. We could just put an empty square there to fill in later, or a smiley face. Now we can do anything we want with the scales, as long as we do the same to both sides. We could add or subtract weight, add boxes, anything. To solve an equation, to work out what the unknown quantity is, we need to have the unknown on its own on one side, and a number on the other. In our scale analogy, we want a box on its own on one side, and just weights on the other. Mathematically, we want something like this. X equals a number. We need to ask ourselves, what will get our equation closer to what we want? X on one side, numbers on the other. If we remove the x from the left side, that will help. So we subtract x from the left side, which means we have to do the same to the right side, or the scales won't be balanced anymore. X plus 15 minus x equals 2x plus 3 minus x, and the x's on the left cancel each other out. 2x minus x is just 1x, and we have 15 equals x plus 3. We're getting there, but now we've got that annoying 3 sitting on one side. Alright, so let's subtract 3 from both sides. 15 minus 3 equals x plus 3 minus 3. 12 equals x. Okay, perfect. X equals 12. Is our answer of 12 correct? We can check by substituting x equals 12 into our original equation and seeing if the sides match. Our original equation was x plus 15 equals 2x plus 3. After our substitution, this becomes 12 plus 15 equals 2 lots of 12 plus 3. And adding up the numbers, we get 27 on the left equals 24 plus 3. 27 equals 27. The two sides balance, so yes, 12 is our answer.